Well, this video will highlight a new technology, one that has been tested by Lockheed over the past couple of years, one that may have been field tested recently in Washington, D.C. You know, at the end of January 2025. What technology is this? Automated aircraft. It's called Matrix technology according to the website. Here's an excerpt. Sikorsky Matrix technology could one day enable utility helicopters to resupply forward forces on the future battlefield without human pilots or crew on board. Well, that's the Department of Government Efficiency for you. Get rid of the pilots. And what future battlefield are they talking about? I thought Trump was going to bring peace on Earth. It also states, Sikorsky, a Lockheed Martin company, and DARPA successfully demonstrated this logistics resupply capability to the U.S. Army in October 2022 using an optionally piloted Black Hawk helicopter. Get that? Optionally piloted Black Hawk helicopter. So in other words, they can take a regular copter and outfit it with this new technology, meaning put the Matrix into a copter with pilot seats. It also means they can put this technology into a helicopter that is being used by a pilot. So this system could take over an aircraft, even when there is a pilot on board. Maybe the pilot experiences a medical issue or something more sinister. The helicopter could then be remote controlled. Are you starting to understand where I'm going with this? What else about this system? Well, it can execute missions at low altitude, obstacle-rich environments, or in degraded, uncertain conditions. Missions at low altitude with obstacle-rich environment? Sounds like what happened on that fateful day in Washington, D.C. It also improves system reliability through multi-level contingency management. So if a pilot is injured, the system can take over. Reduces life cycle cost and operating costs per flight hour. In other words, they can save money by making pilots optional. Good old Department of Government Efficiency. And let's not forget, it has platform agnostic design to support multiple vehicles, enabling mission tailoring. Well, of course, that means they can remote control a swarm of Black Hawks, just like people can do with drones. What else about the Matrix autonomous aircraft system? It can be remote controlled from 300 miles away by using a tablet connected to the vehicle via data link. Also, once given a command, it can carry out a mission on its own without an operator or remote control once initiated. It can react to dynamic combat environment threats, optimize routing, and execute emergency procedures. I hope this helps. Always choose Jesus.